Here's an easy, quick, accurate, responsive, and best way to search for open houses. Go to my main website. This is George Foshin, by the way, of Call Realty Best Palos Verdes Homes. Go to search.palosverdeshomesbest.com. Don't let this fool you. You can use this utility from Santa Barbara south through San Diego and east to Riverside. But let's pretend for a moment you were looking for open houses in, well, you can search by city, neighborhood, or zip code. Neighborhood's kind of cool because let's pretend you were looking for open houses in the Crest area of Rancho Palos Verdes. So you would click on that. This works on a mobile device as well, just as easily. And then you can click this edit button up here, and it's in a different place on a mobile. But anyway, you can click that edit button and then just click open houses, and it will limit the what it shows you to just the open houses. Okay, it's that easy. You can always contact me real quick right here. And thanks for your time.